Hello guys, I'm Avi and today we are going to do formulas of Excel. Let's start the video. And our first formula is sum. Let's do it. And first we are going to do auto sum like this. I've written some marks, numbers, whatever you want to say, and I've written like this: total, average, max, min. Okay, and now I have to plus these all and I have to get a sum. So I clicked on this much. Which part you want to add, just like this you can do. Like I want to do this much and click on the enter. Okay, and here also. Now like this it will come, a plus sign it will come when you will go down. Okay, click here and scroll it and see our formula is added to all the columns. See, now if you change the number also, the adding will also be changed. See, like see. Okay, and now we have to put average. How will you put? Now we will go again there, auto sum, and in right side of it there will come a down arrow. Click on that and like this it will come. Click on average. Okay, see, or you can put equal sign and write average in caps and bracket, and um, which number you first number you have to write, and then this, and till which you have to add this. Okay, and then click on the enter again. Same here I will do for this also. See, and now we have to find max. So again go there and max will come. Click on the max. See, come on. And enter. And again we will do same. And for min, again which part you want to cut, then cut it. And you can do it manually also, like F1. I want it F8. See, I want it F10. I want it F9. See, and click on the enter. You can do it manually also and digitally also. You don't want to write them. Tata, bye bye.